Today I will be talking about a very interesting car technology that is self-healing paints. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. How you all are doing? आप इमेजिन करो आपके कार के माइनस स्केचेस अपने आप से सेल्फ हील और डिसअपेयर हो रहे हैं. साउंड्स लाइक मैजिक, राइट? वेल, सेल्फ हीलिंग पेंट्स माइट जस्ट ब्रिंग अस क्लोज टू दैट रियलिटी. सेल्फ हीलिंग पेंट्स अब एक टाइप की कोटिंग होती है जो कि माइनस स्केचेस को अपने आप से रिपेयर कर सकती है. It uses a special polymers that respond to heat or sunlight to fill in scratches and restore the surface. This technology was pioneered by a company like Nissan and who have been working on this from ages now. Nissan even launched a scratch shield for its cars in 2005. सेल्फ हीलिंग पेंट की अगर आप ग्लोबल मार्केट साइज के बारे में बात करोगे तो इट इज़ अबाउट $2.4 billion in 2023 and it is projected to grow at 28.4% CAGR from 2024 to 2030. Entire market is divided into extrinsic self-healing, which needs external stimuli like heal chemical to start it, whereas intrinsic self-healing has inherent self-healing properties and doesn't require external help. External segment has the largest revenue share of 67.4%. Self-healing coatings are very versatile and can be applied in numerous fields like automotive, electronics, construction and healthcare. सेल्फ हीलिंग पेंट्स एक प्रोसेस के थ्रू काम करती है जिसको हम लोग थर्मो रिस्पॉन्सिव पॉलीमराइजेशन बोलते हैं. एसेंशियली व्हेन हीट और यूवी लाइट इज अप्लाइड द स्पेशल पॉलीमर इन द पेंट expands and fill in any gaps or sketches. Studies show that the paint can repair minor sketches in just a few minutes under sunlight or even faster if a heat source is used. But how does it compare to traditional paint? Self-healing paints are costly but can save you from frequent touch-ups, reducing maintenance cost. This technology isn't just an experiment, it is already been used in certain high-end vehicles, phone cases and even some consumer vehicles. Nissan's scratch shield technology was one of the first on cars and other brands are exploring similar solutions. So will all cars have self-healing paints in the future? With ongoing advancements, we may see this technology become more affordable and widespread in the next few years. Imagine a car that takes care of its own appearance with zero maintenance. So the big questions come, would you pay extra for this feature in your car? Let me know in the comments. Thank you everyone for watching my video today. If you found this video really helpful, make sure to like, share and hit that bell icon for more car tips and reviews. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye and take care.